Pushes people to the stoplight in the wet, right? In the wet weather. Yeah.
Oh, he's got all of them in there. Oh, she hopped out. Look at her. She's like, oh, I don't want to be in there.
I'll have a new husband in a week. Marijuana, clear on it. I wouldn't put it down.
Slow down, dude.
When we get back to the campsite, maybe your wife will give me a shot of that freaking devil's juice.
Devil's piss.
Jameson.
Devil's
Jason!
The devil's creeping. Let's spin a little bit for the video.
Free will. Driver! Only real locker.
Oh, shit.
It's okay. He's
You're here. Look at how easy. Oh,
It's okay. You can go. No problem. It's just a height.
it's okay. Damn, I thought you
It's okay.
Woo! All right.
All right, you make it.
Where you at, Tim? Where you at, Tim? Jody can make it. Yep. Jody can make it.